Okay, welcome back everybody. Today we're going to be fishing this pond for some multi-species. There's tilapia, there's bass, there's Mayan cichlids and bluegill. So we're going to try and catch them all. And also getting redemption from my last video was short and I lost my fish. So today we're going to be trying that. So let's hit it. Oh my god, look at that turtle. Oh my god, it's huge. Look at her, look. Oh my god, that thing is huge. Look at it. There he goes. Oh, got one. Yes. Oh, got the bluegill. Oh, yes. Okay. Okay. Oof. Okay. So, here it is. This is the first fish of the day. Let's take a look at that. That is gorgeous fish. Look at that. There's a nice bluegill. And oh. Okay. Let's take a look at this. It's a beautiful bluegill. Look at the colors from this guy. It's like purple and some white and some blue. You look for that. The bottom. Little black spot. Okay, placing it back in the water. Okay. There you go. Okay. Okay, so I got that bluegill on this little jig head, this grabby jig. There we go. And there's some more right here, so let's see if we can catch him to show you guys. So we already got a bluegill, so we got Mayan, tilapia, and bass, so we can finish up the big slime in this pond. So let's see if any bass or Mayan wants to show up in here. Got him. Oh yeah, got him. I got him. Oh, the bass is after it. Oh my god. Easy. Okay. Oh, the bass is after it. What the heck is wrong with the bass? The huge bass is actually after it. That is so weird. Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm gonna change this thing because I'm not getting bites. I'll still get the Maya in there. Let me pick it up. Okay, come here, buddy. Okay, here we got it. Second fish of the day. Beautiful Mayan cichlid. On the grab jig. Oh, there he goes. Well, that counts. I just show it. So let's try and get another one. There's another one right here, and bigger. So come on, let's try. I can unless this bass. Okay, so let's try. Oh, there it comes, there it comes, there it comes, there it comes. Okay. Oh my god, holy, this bass, I mean, what the heck? He doesn't even want to eat. What is wrong with this bass? Oh, there he comes. Shoot. That's the bad thing with clear water. Oh, got it. No! It came off. Oh my god. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come back, come back. Come back. Oh, it's coming. Oh. I think that can get it done. So I'm gonna use this color right here and this hook. Okay, here we go. This is what we're gonna be using. Second bait of the day. There you go. Let's go ahead and tie on. Okay, let's go. Oh, there's this little mayan right here. Oh, got it. Yes, got it this time. Okay, let's secure it so I can show you guys. Oh. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. So here it is. Let me see. Okay. Here it is. A little Mayan. Look. Well, there it goes. And I show it, so it's official. Let's see if we can find some bass in here. This deep pocket right here. Oh. Got a little backlash. I haven't seen. Oh, I think there's tilapia. Okay, let's see. Let's go. Let's see if we can catch it. It's a nice tilapia right there. Come on. That was a nice tilapia. I don't know. Oh, she's on it. She's on it. Got it. Yes. This time I got it. Nice tilapia. Oh yes. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Look at her. Oh my god, look at this tilapia. Oh my god, this is like a beautiful tilapia I've ever seen. Look at this. It's like purplish and oh my god, just like, oh my god. It's like a wallpaper picture. Look at this thing. It's awesome. On the crappie egg. Okay. Man, I can't believe I lost that bass. I can't believe that I got a bass right at this pond. And tilapia though. Not bad. Oh, got it! Yes, there's the bass. There is the bass. Oh yes, finally. Whoa! Oh, he's a nice bass too. Oh, hey, didn't do the same thing as last time. Okay, here we go. Look at this bass. It's huge. Oh, there we go. Nice little bass on the wacky worm. And it's official. We have got every fish out of this pond. So there we go. Nice little fat guy or girl. I don't know. Okay, so let's take a measure on him. Actually, I have a ruler. So let's measure him real quick. Okay, let me check. Okay, so he is 14 inches on the dot. Yes, there you go. Here's 14 inches on the dot. Let's release him. Oh, I knew this spillway right here had to have some fish. There we go. Let's release this beautiful guy right here. He's a massive guy. Look at that. It's like super beautiful bass. Okay, enjoy, buddy. Okay. Look at this. He pulled my rod apart. Basically, look, he broke my rod. I don't know what's wrong, but yeah, looked like it was a little. That is weird as heck. So I guess I'm gonna be fishing with the other combo only. Okay, so here it is. This is the piece that I got broken out of my rod. That sucks. Well, let's keep going with the spinning rod. Got it. Woo. Oh my god. This is a little bigger Mayan, and he ate it. Like, the whole thing. Oh my god. It's gonna be kinda hard to take the hook out. Oh, there's a big Mayan right here, but I don't know if it'll break or not. Got it. Yes, another Mayan. Oh, this one is kind of big actually. Oh yeah, there he goes. There's a nice Mayan zipper. This one is the bigger one of the day, I think, so far. Okay. Oh, look at him. He's an awesome fish. There's some Mayans from here. Sort of at him. It's not gonna hurt anybody. Might be decent. Oh! That was the easiest catch. Maybe this guy was hungry as heck. Oh, there's bass. Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye. I should get a bass. But definitely these little Mayans are juicy. Just one after another, boys. This is like freaking nice. And they actually swallow it like crazy. Look at this beast of a tilapia I just caught. Oh my god. Look at the size of my hand compared to this guy. And there's some others. Oh, watch it. Oh. There's some others right there. But oh my god, this is huge. Just take a look at that. Let me grab her. I don't want her to go in the water. Just take a look at this beast. We can't even place it in the whole camera. Oh my god. I don't know if this is the biggest one I ever got, but definitely one of the bigger ones. Let me unhook her real quick. Okay, so she's 17 inches on the dot. That's the 18. It's just kind of